Not look at
that bikini girl. It's a song.
I know.
So sometimes we like to make videos a lot instead of taking pictures because we forget it's on video.
Oops. A lot. Whoops.
It's 1 o'clock in the.
Oh my gosh! I just burped.
In the middle of my sentence. Look what we ate today, world.
And this is why we're like this now. Happy birthday to me!
My birthdays.
Can you not? Actually, doesn't matter. You've already burped on it. I mean, burped on it.
I did not. Just because I did not burp on the cake, I coughed on it. I choked. And then I got over here. Oh, there's a cake there. Oh. Goodbye!
I'm gonna try it this way.